Are you ready to learn some real life English with comprehensible input? Well, good, because today I'm going to teach you 9 common words you must know if you want to speak English better. Also, I'm going to show you some real examples, a person who doing those actions, so you will never forget understanding more better. Let's get started. So the first word we're gonna learn today is get ready. Get ready means prepare yourself for something. For example, I get ready for school every morning. I get ready for school every morning. Or she gets ready before leaving home. So she gets ready before leaving home. And get ready is to take shower, brush your teeth, comb your hair, to prepare your journey or that something you're doing. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is leave home. It's very close. Leave home means get out of your house. Get out of your house. For example, I leave home at 8 o'clock. Or he leaves home early. He leaves home early. So he go to somewhere very early. He leaves his home early. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is reach school. So reach school means arrive at school. So reach and arrive is pretty close. It's same. For example, I reach school on time. I reach school on time, or she reaches school by bus. She reaches school by bus, so she takes a bus to the school. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is attend class. To attend class. To attend class means go to and take part in class. You go to and take a party in a class. For example, I attend class every day. I attend class every day, or he attends his class in the morning. So he goes to class in the morning. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is take a test. So take a test means do an exam or quiz. So test, exam, quiz, both same. I take a test at school. I take a test at school, or she takes a test every month. She takes test every month. She has a small exam every month. Let's jump to the next. The next is get results. So get results means receive the outcome of pass a test or work. You receive the outcome of test or work. Like when you take a test or exam, you get the result, right? So that is the result. For example, let's make example. I got my result today. I get my result today. Or he got good results in the exam. He got good results in the exam. So he did pretty well his exam and he got good results. Let's jump to the next one. The next one is celebrate a win. To celebrate a win. So celebrate a win means joy success after winning. You joy success after winning. For example, we celebrate a win after the game. We celebrate a win after the game. So when you won the game, you celebrate it. Or the team celebrated their win. The team celebrated their win. So the team, they won maybe championship or something and they celebrated their win. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is feel proud. I love this word. It's a very common word and we use in our daily life. So feel proud means feel happy about an achievement. When you achieve something, goal, skills, or establish anything, you feel proud. For example, I feel proud of my work. I feel proud of my work. Or she feels proud after passing the test. She feels proud after passing the test. So she has a test and when she passes it, she feels proud. Let's jump to the last word. The last word is apologize. Say sorry. To say sorry. Or means apologize for a mistake. Say sorry. Let's make example. I say sorry when I make a mistake. I say sorry when I make a mistake. Or he said sorry to his friend. He said sorry to his friend. So you say sorry. To say sorry when whenever you make a mistake, you just say sorry. And it's very polite to say, to admit that you make a mistake and you bad about that mistake you made. So those guys are 9 common words we use in our daily life, and write them down your notebook and then make them each one complete sentences, and then that is how you're gonna learn English, and that is how I learn English well. So if I over explain this lesson, this words, please let me know your feedback at the comments so I can understand if I make mistake or if I didn't. That's how I learn English. So learn English with me and have a good one. See you next video.